like to know how to view PF Passbook. Open any web browser and type the URL as shown on the screen. Once the page has opened, click on Services and then select the option for Employees. Scroll down to the Services section and select the second option, Member UN or Online Services, that is OCS or OTCP. On this page, enter your UN login credentials, enter the captcha details and click Sign in. After you have logged in, click on View and then select the Passbook option. You would be seeing this page. Enter the UN login credentials and the captcha details and click Login. After you have successfully logged in, click the Member ID drop-down and select the member ID you wish to view. To view the passbook, click on the View Passbook button. Your passbook will reflect on the screen. If you wish to download the passbook, just click on the Download button. The passbook will be downloaded in a PDF format. Wasn't that quick? Great! Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and we hope to see you soon again.